The giants behind the Iran-Israel, Washington-Beijing axis war. The issue of the Israel-Hamas war has not yet ended. The outbreak of conflict between Iran and Israel this month is the latest escalation of geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Tensions between the two countries, which are among the main powers in the Middle East, have been growing for decades, although they have never erupted into a war large scale. Iran is known to prefer to use its proxy groups spread across the region to conflict directly with Israel. The conflict or war, with a scale that is still very limited, between Iran and Israel this time also increasingly clarifies the camps formed in the Middle East. Just like various geopolitical conflicts that have occurred before, there is a tendency for two main axes to support Iran and Israel, namely Beijing and Washington. Both China and the United States seem to agree that conflicts and tensions must be reduced immediately. However, both of them have their own points of view regarding the main cause of Iran's attack on Israeli territory at the weekend. Moreover, China and the United States are still fighting for influence in the Middle East region, which has recently been demonstrated in the Hamas-Israel war, which has been going on for 6 months. China assesses that Iran's attack on Israel was carried out in response to the previous attack on the Iranian embassy in Damascus, Syria. China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi strongly condemned and firmly opposed the attack of the Iranian consulate building. He said China considered it a serious violence of international law and unacceptable. Just like China, Russia, which has traditionally been at odds with the United States, also takes the same point of view regarding the conflict. Moscow alluded to how attacks occurred due to a lack of resolution to resolve various crises in the Middle East, especially emphasized Russia in the Palestinian and Israeli conflict zones. Meanwhile, citing the TASS, Russia's permanent representative to the UN also responded to the UN's criticism of Iran. Vasily Nebenzia called the UN Security Council's emergency meeting on Iran's retaliatory strike against Israel a Western parade of hypocrisy and double standards. This refers to Israel's first action in attacking the Iranian consulate. On the other hand, the United States and its allies assess that Iran's action in attacking Israeli territory are the basis for the escalation of current tensions. The US states that it doesn't want this conflict to spread, but it is clearly placing itself behind Israel in a wider conflict that could involve China and Russia. United States President Joe Biden on Saturday condemned in the strongest term Iran's unprecedented airstrikes on military facilities in Israel. European leaders also expressed similar views, condemning Iran's attack on Israel and promising to work to defuse the situation.